In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in Google Sheets. Start by going to Google Sheets in your web browser. Once you are on the main Sheets homepage, take a moment to confirm you are signed in to the correct Google account so you can save your work automatically. Next, look near the top of the page for the template gallery and click it. This opens a collection of ready-made spreadsheets that Google provides. Using a template is the quickest way to build a Gantt chart because the layout, formulas, and timeline formatting are already prepared for you. Inside the template gallery, find the Gantt chart option and select it. After you click the template, Google Sheets will create a new spreadsheet based on that design and open it for editing in a new tab. Now you will focus on the editable areas in the template. Click into the highlighted sections of the sheet, one area at a time, and replace the sample content with your own project information. Typically, these highlighted cells are where you enter task names, start dates, and end dates or durations. As you update each highlighted field, the Gantt chart timeline updates to reflect your changes, so you can immediately see the schedule take shape. Continue clicking through each highlighted area across the sheet and fill in the details that match your plan. Work carefully and keep your date entries consistent, since the chart depends on valid dates to display the bars in the correct position. If you are copying data from another document, paste it in cleanly, so you do not bring in extra formatting that can affect the template. As you move through the remaining highlighted sections, keep an eye on the chart portion of the template. This visual area is the key output. It helps you confirm that tasks are in the right order and that timelines match what you intended. Once you have completed the final highlighted section, review the sheet for any remaining sample values. Make small adjustments as needed so every task and date reflects your project. Your Gantt chart is now ready to share, print, or use for ongoing tracking, and that is all there is to it.